2010 Lexus 450h hybrid, one owner, 40,000 miles. Yes, 40,000 miles, fully loaded. 450 hybrid, one owner, no accidents, 40,000 miles. Leather, navigation, backup camera, rear power deck lid, tow package, heated and air conditioned seats, moonroof. In amazing, unbelievable condition, as you can see. Not a door ding on it. Alloy wheels, brand new tires. It has a bra on the front, a rock chip bra. A little plastic clear rock chip bra. Have two sets of mats. We have the original mats and we have the WeatherTech mats. I'll show you in a second. There's the moonroof. Texas vehicle in flawless condition.
It's also knowing that
Leather heated seats.
So if I know that we've made a difference,
Heated air conditioned seats. Navigation. Backup camera. 40,807 miles. Cargo area with protector, and there's the floor mats, the original floor mats. Rear parking sensors, backup camera. Trying to do my best to show you. When I say immaculate, it is immaculate. 2010 Lexus 450h hybrid, two-wheel drive, 40,000 miles, completely loaded, one owner, in pristine condition.